Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix music fail to play trackers error on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and restart phone from here. After restart phone, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on App Management. After click on App Management, scroll down and search music from here. Click on Music and click on Storage and Usage. If you want to fix this problem, so Clear Cache Music app. Click on Clear Cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on Settings app, scroll down to and click on System and Update. Click on Power Backup and Reset and click on Reset Phone and click on Reset All Settings. After click on Reset All Settings, enter phone pin and click on Reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix music fail to play trackers error on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.